Yanhua Mini ACDP2 failed to install PC software solution. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your go-to spot for everything on automobile diagnostics. Before we dive in, I have a quick favor to ask. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for updates, and stick around till the end so you don't miss a thing. And if you enjoy the content, a super thanks would mean the world to us. Let's get started. Solution for installing Yanhua ACDP2 software on Windows 10. If you encounter the error PC-ACDP2.exe This application could not be started and are prompted to install the .NET framework while attempting to install Yanhua ACDP2 PC software, here's the step-by-step solution. Steps to resolve the issue. 1. Identify missing dependencies. The issue is related to the absence of the required .NET framework or runtime environment. 2. Download required files. Visit the official Yanhua download site. ACDP download page. http://www.acdpmaster.com/download.html. Locate ACDP PC software 1.0.59. Download the running environment, runtime program package. 3. Install the runtime files. Extract the downloaded runtime package. Install all the files included to ensure your system meets the requirements for running the ACDP2 software. 4. Install ACDP2 software. Once the runtime environment is installed, rerun the PC-ACDP2.exe file. System requirements. Operating system supported. Windows 7. Windows 10. Ensure the system is fully updated. By installing the .NET framework and runtime environment provided in the running environment package, the issue should be resolved, and the ACDP2 software will install and function properly on your Windows 10 laptop. Thanks so much for watching till the end. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And before you go, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss future videos. If you'd like to show extra support, go ahead and tap that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing!